some assassin heroes are underperforming, with a low use. To introduce more changes in the ranked meta and improve player experience, our focus on the new season is to buff several assassins. First, Hanzo the Akuma Ninja. We have revamped his first, second, and ultimate skills. This should generally improve Hanzo's damage, controllability, and flexibility. Now, when Hanzo is in human form, he unlocks one seal of his first skill with every basic attack, regardless of attack speed. In Demon Numa form, he will thrust forward when all the seals are unlocked, damaging and knocking the enemies airborne. Hanzo's second skill still does AoE damage, but now it can repeat itself if an enemy unit is hit. It will not stop until it reaches the maximum repetitions or fails to hit an enemy. As to Hanzo's ultimate, he can now choose to either move the body to Demon Numa's position or the other way around, which means he can optimize her skills for better ganking and mobility. Natalia's ultimate will now trigger Assassin Instinct and conceal her immediately. Her basic attack and physical attack will also be enhanced in a few seconds, and this skill can be recast shortly. We also slightly modified the mechanism of Assassin's Instinct. Now Natalia will be revealed if she stays close to the enemy for a short period. She can regain stealth by... The next revamped hero is Lancelot, the Perfume Knight.
Time to witness the handsome!
With this new passive effect, after each time he charges, his damage is increased for 4 seconds. The new hero Atlas is one that thrives in teamfights. He can charge in the middle of the fight with the movement speed buff of his ejected state and crowd control the enemies with his ultimate. Meanwhile, the enhanced defense and slowing effects provided by his passive, Atlas is a literal team fight machine.